Hi everyone, and welcome to Mama J's Kitchen. Today's recipe is tortellini and white bean soup, a refreshing summer dinner that I hope you enjoy. Let's get started. First, I'm roughly chopping a sweet onion and 3 cloves of garlic. Feel free to substitute any onion here. Sweet onions are just what I had. Sweat the onion over medium-high heat until they go translucent and pick up a bit of color. Add a pinch of salt. Add the garlic and cook for about 30 seconds. Then add a 1/4 cup of white wine to deglaze and reduce. Add about a 1/2 cup of cannellini beans which have been soaked overnight and cover with a quart of vegetable broth. Alternately, you can use a can of white beans. Just add it towards the end of the recipe. Next, we'll slice a fennel bulb cut in quarters, as well as zest 1 lemon, which will also be juicing. Remove the stems from a bunch of Swiss chard and slice both the leaves and the stems. You can use any type of green here. I just felt that Swiss chard lended the most. Finally, roll some fresh basil leaves and slice. Now back to the soup. When the beans are tender, add another quart of broth and bring to the boil. The tortellini I'm using takes about 15 minutes to cook. It's dried. If using frozen or fresh, follow the directions on the packet. After 5 minutes, add the lemon zest and the lemon juice. Followed by the fennel and chard stems, and cook for another 5 minutes. Don't do what I just did, it burnt. After 5 minutes, add the chard leaves and cook for another 5 minutes. If it looks like it won't fit, after a minute or two it will. Turn the heat off basil and give it a good stir. This truly is one of my favorite summer soups, served here with some buttered sourdough bread. I absolutely enjoyed taking that first bite. And fennel is one of my favorite vegetables. This bread went very well with it. I hope you give this recipe a try, and I want to thank you all for watching. And bon appetit!